Today we are unboxing this. Insta360 X5. Today we're gonna review and unbox the camera. I love this camera, I'll be honest, because it is a camera generally for us riders, motorcycle drivers, generally people who like aggressive and adrenaline sports. Okay, let's see what we have inside this box. This time I won't be playing music, I will be doing a voiceover because there's a lot of things I want to say about this camera. I think it's an amazing camera with many features. I'm really surprised and I'm super excited about it because it's really that good. First, you have an extra battery, a spare battery, so it comes with 2 batteries in the box and this case where you can put 2 SD cards. This is just a user manual that no one cares about. Invisible selfie stick. It's 114 centimeters long. I have no clue how much that is in feet. It's very durable. You have a gray box where you can carry the camera with you. And it comes with a fast charger for 2 batteries. It's an amazing thing and you can put 3 SD cards in. I carry this as my case and props to you Insta, thank you for this. It's a best thing. Also, you get 2 standard lens cards. I don't use lens cards because they reduce the image quality. On this Insta360 X5, you can actually buy, in case you break the lens, for 35 euros, you can buy 2 new lenses and change it. The rubber small black thingy is actually very good because it protects the lenses while you have it in your backpack or wherever you like to carry. Okay, when you want to install the software, just click language. So you have mobile app and desktop app. The mobile app is much better, and some of the videos they came much better from the mobile app than from the desktop app. So I'm gonna show you the footage while I'm talking about it. The app on the phone is better. It shows you have many templates, you have many AI options, you have many things you can choose from, and the footage came better from the mobile app than from the studio. When I compare GoPro app and Insta360 app, of course the GoPro app is still sloppy, not that good. Insta360 app is very good. However, the desktop studio or desktop app is not that good. You must be asking yourself, what's that? So attach the stick with the duct tape and some zip ties. I don't recommend that you do this same as me, but I just got this. So I wanted to show you pretty much what's inside. I decided to make a full video about the Insta360 motorcycle bundle and to tell you good and bad things about it. This is my second bundle that I'm buying in the same week. So if you're interested, you can click and see the video here. Also on the mobile app, you have a feature that I really like, and that's automatic plate blur. So you don't have to copy clip, then blur one, then do keyframes and stuff, do masking. No, the app does it for you. You just click and it hides and blurs the plates for you, which I really am surprised. And I'm kind of sad the other apps don't have that. So you can blur the plates only on the mobile app, not on the desktop studio. The bad thing about this is that if you want to blur the plate, you have to download the video, run it through the mobile app, and then re-upload it, which takes a lot of time. And I really hope they're gonna update the app for the desktop and that we're gonna be able to do that on the studio version, because this really consumes a lot of time and effort. So you can see here, when you zoom on people, you can still see their faces, and it's like maybe you know, it's like 4, 5, 6 meters away from the camera because the camera is at the back, and you can still see their faces. You can, you know, it's very good. In the future, I'm gonna attach the camera on the front of the motorcycle, so the faces and the people's reactions will be more visible and more clear. Also, when it comes to GoPro, if you move your head too much, it will blur the faces of people. You have to kind of be still, which is restricting while you're driving, while you're riding. So Insta360 captures 360 degrees, and it gives you 8K, which of course is reduced once you wanna select a certain frame, but it still gives like very clear picture. There is 8K, 30 frames per second. There is 5.7. With this resolution, you can use HDR. When you zoom in like this, of course, that the image quality is going to drop down dramatically. But if you put the camera closer, without the zoom, it's going to be much, much better. This is all filmed in 8K, 30 frames per second. It's without HDR and all that. And this is what I love. You can film people's reactions. You can, you know, you can get the footage from 360 degrees, and you can capture everything that's happening around you. This is just the color that came from the camera. I didn't edit it. I didn't do any color grading. I just wanted the pure. One more thing that's really amazing is that you don't have to download videos from your camera, from your SD card to your computer, and then edit them. You can edit directly from the camera, and it's very fast. It works great, so it saves you a lot of time. People usually compare GoPro and Insta360. In my opinion, like I said, both of them serve different purposes. So with Insta360 you can be more creative, you can do more shots, different shots, and it's gonna bring some variety into your videos. I wanted to talk about pure mode. There is a night mode, the pure mode, and at the moment Insta360 X5 is the best camera for night mode when it comes to action cameras. No one can come close to it. For the night, it is the best mode. I will show you in one of the next videos. You will see it. I wanted to include it here, but I will leave it for the next video. This one is meant for 360, so it should be used for that. So it can complement your GoPro, and they serve different purposes. So yes, you have to have both cameras. You can also put the camera, like I said, on the front, on the side. Don't attach the stick to your mirrors because, yeah, the wind is just gonna close them. The stabilization is very good. If you turn it off, it will give you that action camera look, even though you can see a little bit of shaking here, but the stabilization is actually very good. This is the 5.7K in 60 frames, I think, but still I edited the whole thing in 30, so it came down. So the quality of the picture can be much better, and in the future it will be. I'm still working on some things here, so I cannot wait to show you videos in the future and show you the quality of them. I'm gonna leave you here to watch some footage. Here I saw a colleague from work. He waved at me, and you can clearly see the person. So there's a little bit of blur because of my editing, but the first time I edited, actually it was very smooth. The reason why it looks like this, I didn't use the proper editing options. Now I know, so you can edit and you can add HDR, you can do a lot of things. Like I said, I'm still learning in the Insta360 Studio desktop, but the mobile app is really amazing. So when you connect your camera, you can choose from activities like motorcycling, traveling, features that you can use and apply to the videos, and it comes out great. Thank you for watching, guys, and subscribe. It means a lot at the moment. So write in the comments about your opinions on Insta360 camera, which one you have, and do you like them. And that's it. Drive safe, ride safe, and see you in the next video.